Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about me finally being monetized. I'm so excited. You don't even know how excited I am. Like, oh my God. We're also going to be talking about what does it actually mean to be monetized on YouTube and how you can get monetized on YouTube as well. So what does it actually mean to be monetized on YouTube? When you're monetized on YouTube, it means that you got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and that you're now able to put ads on each one of your videos. So people will watch your videos and they have ads on them, and YouTube will pay you a percentage of that ad revenue that you generate from people watching your videos and people watching those ads. So we actually make money when people watch those ads. So if you see some ads on this video, don't skip it. Watch it. Help a girl out. But yeah, so YouTube will pay you a percentage of that ad revenue, and the more views you get, the more money you'll make. So that's why you see all these big YouTubers buying mansions and living it up. Well, they're making really good money off of that ad revenue. How can you get monetized is the next question that I know everybody has. So in order to get monetized on YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you must have at least 4,000 hours. Not minutes, hours. 4,000 hours. When I first heard that, and when I started doing research to see how I could get my channel monetized, and I heard 4,000 hours, I was so negative, and I said to myself, I can't do that. It's never gonna happen. You must have 4,000 hours within the last 12 months, not in your overall channel history, but within the last 12 months. So that makes it even harder. But think about it. If you're trying to get monetized, your actual goal is to make money off of your video. And if you don't have at least that 4,000 hours within the last 12 months, how are you going to generate views once you are monetized in order to actually make money? So in order to cash out that money that you make off of YouTube, you must at least have $100, or else that money rolls over to the next month. If you're not at least making that $100, you can't cash out. So if you can't at least get 4,000 hours of watch time, then you're really not going to generate much money, because the more views you have, the more money you're making. And if you're not even getting that 4,000 hours, then you're really not making a lot of money. Even if you were monetized and you had ads on your videos, you're really not making that much money. So it really doesn't make much sense to get monetized before you have those 4,000 hours. So at first I didn't get it, but now I understand why YouTube changed the rules. It is so that you can establish your channel and then get monetized. You establish your channel by getting a certain amount of subscribers, so now you have a following, and by getting a certain amount of watch time, so now you're at that steady pace where when you post a video, now you're monetized, you post a video, that video is going to get not a whole bunch of views, but an established amount of views. So these rules kind of help establish your channel before you get monetized. Now let me give you a little bit of history on my channel, because I know that you guys want to hear all about me. I started this channel back in 2016. I think it was like the end of 2016 or so. It took me a really long time to get monetized, and the reason I think is, if I knew back then what I knew now, I feel like I would get monetized so much quicker, so much faster. Back then I just made like one video a month, and I thought that like I saw such slow growth. To get to my first 100 subscribers was a struggle, that I just kind of gave up on it and kind of moved on to Instagram, where I was growing much faster. But once I decided to actually be consistent with my channel, keyword, be consistent. Once I decided to actually be consistent with my channel, that is when I actually started to see the growth. And that's when I started to get more excited about YouTube. So I started posting every week. That's when I really started to see the difference. So that is my number one tip, is be consistent with your channel. But I would say, to be realistic, post at least once a week, and you will start seeing subscribers. You will start seeing more views on your channel. You will be able to reach that 4,000 hours, because if you're not posting, there's really nothing to watch and there's really nothing that's going to help you accumulate those 4,000 hours, if you get what I mean. So my first goal I wanted to hit was that 1,000 subscribers. I was working on my watch time as well, but the first goal that I saw more attainable was that 1,000 subscribers, and I reached that goal on September of 2019, the end of September. It was right by my birthday. It just passed, and I was super excited. I couldn't contain it. Like, I was so excited to have finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I thought I wasn't gonna get there ever. Like, I feel like it literally took forever. So when I hit the 1,000 subscribers, I only had about 60 to 70% of the watch time hours that I needed. I still needed to complete more of my watch time hours, so it's not like I could just be monetized right there. I had 1,000 subscribers. I still needed to complete the watch time hours. So I was thinking that I would complete the watch time hours a little bit quicker, but it actually took me almost a whole month after I reached the 1,000 subscribers in order to reach the 4,000 hours of watch time. But I actually got there, guys. I actually reached 4,000 hours of watch time. I've actually surpassed the 4,000 hours of watch time already, but I reached the 4,000 hours of watch time on October 29th of 2019, and I was ecstatic. Like, when I saw, like, I was tracking it every day, every single day I was tracking how many hours I had, So I knew when I was about to hit it, and I was, oh my gosh, I was so excited when I finally hit it. My account automatically went into review to be monetized. I had researched getting monetized a lot, so I kind of knew, like, some people waited months, some people waited weeks, so I was kind of prepared to wait. I just was kind of bummed about waiting, but I was prepared to wait. So that was on Tuesday the 29th in the evening. On Thursday evening, the 31st, so I literally waited less than 2 days. On the 31st in the evening time, I got an email. I was scrolling through my email. I hadn't checked my YouTube yet. I had just gotten out of work. I checked my email and I saw, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So it literally took me less than 2 days to get monetized once my account went into review. Now, here's a few things that I did that I feel like they helped speed up the process of my monetization. I know some people wait until they have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before they make an AdSense account. And I feel like that's a big mistake. I made an AdSense account back in like 2017. I made an AdSense account almost right after I made my YouTube channel. The reason I made my AdSense account right away was because I knew that I one day wanted to be monetized, and you need an AdSense account in order to be monetized. To make an AdSense account and get it verified and submit all your information, it takes almost a month. That process does not speed up. It takes about a month. Google wants to verify that it's actually you. They will send you a piece of paper, which I've seen a whole bunch of people here on YouTube making, oh, I got my first paycheck from YouTube, and they'll show that paper from Google. That paper is actually a PIN number. I already got that paper. I don't even know where that paper is, so I'm not even going to be showing you because that was like years ago already. That paper actually has a PIN number that YouTube sends you so that you can put it into your AdSense account and make sure they verify that you're actually a person, you actually live where you say you live, etc., etc. It takes about a month to set up your AdSense account. So go into AdSense.com, set up your AdSense account. You do not need to be monetized in order to make your AdSense account. I would go in there right now, right after watching this video, and make my AdSense account if you haven't already. Link it to your YouTube, go to your monetization tab on your YouTube studio, set it all up. That way, the only thing that you are waiting for is to hit your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. That way, when you hit those two goals, your account automatically goes into review. You don't have to even know that you hit the two goals. Your account just automatically goes into review. You don't have to click a button. You don't have to do anything. You already set it up. It's already ready for you to go. That is how I did it. And I feel like that's why my process was a little bit faster and smoother. Also, after you do that, when you know that you're about to get monetized and your account's about to go into review, go and check your video. Make sure that you don't have any copyright strikes, any inappropriate content. Make sure that your videos are suitable for viewers, and that way YouTube will quickly look through your videos and see that everything is fine with your videos and your content is good. Sometimes when you have iffy content, or like content that might not be really appropriate, or copywritten content, it'll take longer to get your account reviewed and for YouTube to review all of your videos. So go through your videos yourself. If you see a video that you think that you should take it down, or maybe private it, I don't know. So I feel like just having my AdSense set up, that really helped me speed up that process. So go ahead and do that. Get it ready to go. Another thing that I did to kind of speed up my process was the moment that I saw that my account was under review to be monetized, I went in and I approved which type of ads I wanted on my videos. That way, once my account got approved, the ads were automatically added to my videos. I did go in afterwards, after I was monetized, and add a few more ads in between some of my videos that are 10 minutes and longer. I added some ads in between, because YouTube will only automatically add an ad in the beginning, in the end, and if your video is longer than 10 minutes, it'll add an ad in the middle. But if you want to break up more ads in between your videos, you have to go in there and manually add them yourself. So that's what I did. But automatically, after my account got reviewed, I got ads right away in the beginning and the end of my videos. So that kind of sped up my process. I didn't have to wait to start getting paid, because the moment that I got approved, those ads were already in there. You know what I mean? Here are a few tips and tricks that I have learned from being on YouTube on how to grow your channel, how to get more views, how to hit those 4,000 hours of watch time. Make good content that you would watch yourself. Once you make a video and you've edited it and it's ready to be uploaded, watch that video straight through without skipping it. If you don't find it interesting and you can't even watch it yourself, then your subscribers are not really going to watch it either. So make sure that you are able to entertain yourself. That way you can entertain your subscribers, if you know what I mean. Another thing is to be consistent. So that's one of the things I talked about in the beginning of the video. I wasn't very consistent in the beginning of my YouTube channel, and I feel like that's why it took much longer for me to grow my channel. I know for a fact that if you are consistently posting videos, you are consistently posting new content, your channel will grow, you will get more subscribers, and the more videos you have, the easier it's going to be for you to hit those 4,000 hours of watch time. Because if you only have like 2 videos on your channel that are like 5 minutes long each, the same people are not really going to rewatch your videos over and over and over and over again. But if you have like 100 videos and they're like 10 minutes and 20 minutes and 15 minutes long each, a person can sit there and binge watch your videos and you will get so much watch time. Like one person can give you like 5 hours of watch time if you have enough videos, but you must produce the content and you must upload it. That is what I'm learning. Like I need to produce more content still right now. And I am trying my best to be as consistent as possible. Be consistent, make some content and post it. You will not get watch time hours if you have no content. Another very important tip that I have and that I've learned is make your thumbnail as interesting as possible. You can have the best video ever. You can have the most interesting video ever. Content that everybody wants to see and that you will get a lot of views from. But if nobody's clicking on that video, nobody's going to ever get to see that video. When you make a wonderful looking thumbnail and a very interesting looking thumbnail, a very clickable thumbnail, then people are going to click on your video because that thumbnail looks very interesting. The same thing with books. Whenever I go to the library and I look at books, I kind of judge the book by its cover. If the cover of the book looks kind of boring to me and not as interesting, I might open it and read it. I might look at the back just to see what it's about, but I'm most likely to just pass by it. When I see a really interesting book cover, I'm like drawn to pick it up and read it. Even if it's not even like that interesting to me, that book cover kind of makes it interesting. Same with a thumbnail. When I see really interesting thumbnails here on YouTube, I want to click on them. I want to see what the video is about. Even if I don't even finish the video because the thumbnails was really good, but the video's not that great, I still clicked on that video. I wouldn't have clicked on that video if that thumbnail was kind of boring and didn't look interesting enough for me to click it. So in order for people to start clicking on your content and start watching more of your videos, make some really interesting thumbnails, some really good, HD quality thumbnails. If you have writing on it, make sure that it's big enough because most people are using their phones to watch YouTube videos. So think about how tiny that thumbnail is going to look on the phone. So you got to make it interesting, but you got to make it interesting in this tiny little space. So go through YouTube videos, look at the thumbnails that you find interesting, look at the thumbnails that make you want to click on them, and then make your thumbnails look like that as well. I think that that's all that I'm going to talk about right now. I feel like I've kind of been rambling. Like I didn't plan this video out properly, but I feel like I shared enough. If you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and leave me some comments down below and I will answer every single one of your questions, or I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. And if I don't answer it in the comments down below, I'm going to take those questions and make another video. So if all goes well, I should be getting my first paycheck from YouTube next month, the end of next month. And once I do get paid, I will make my first paycheck from YouTube or something of that sort, so I can show you guys how much I got paid, how I got paid, etc. And in that video I can also answer some of your questions. So if you guys have some questions, put them in the comments down below. I'll answer down below to the best of my ability, but I will also take some of those questions and answer them in that next video. I hope that you guys learned a lot, and I am so excited to continue to create content here on YouTube, and I am so thankful for each and every one of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. This is so much fun. I am so glad that I am getting paid to do something that I love. I just love this YouTube space. Thank you so much for watching my video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel and you have not yet subscribed, first of all, thank you for stopping by. Second of all, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel right now. So if you want to congratulate me on finally getting monetized, give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to take that as my congratulations, Melissa. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to congratulate me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.